Large cap stocks, small cap stocks. What do you think?
I would have probably had a different answer 2 weeks ago. I'm going to go large cap.
Really?
Yeah, I think Mike convinced me. He had written about one of the large cap tech stocks in Growth Investor, just talking about, and I'm not going to go into too many details, but just talking about the markets, how the markets value leadership. We've said on this podcast, and Tom has written, this market rally either needs to broaden out or it peters out. The case for small caps is a broader rally. But if the rally broadens out, then the rally leaders are going to outperform as well. So I'm going to go large caps. I would have said something totally different a week ago.
So S&P 500 large cap stocks up. What's it highs? As we speak, up more than 17% for the year. Small caps gotten going lately, but up only 9%. Even though I agree or don't disagree with your premise there, I think just because of the disparity between the two, and because the rally is broadening out and is pulling up small cap stocks, I have a hard time seeing the S&P being up, say, 30% this year. Whereas small caps, I could see getting to 20-25%, narrowing the gap between the two. So I'm going to go small caps. I think by the year's end, you could see the Russell 2000 up a little over 20%, S&P like 25%. But the question is from here, and I think from here, second half of the year, I think small caps will outperform.
Yeah, I do think small caps are maybe going to be a little bit more dependent upon Fed activity. If we get a rate hike in the upcoming meeting, and then the Fed says, hey, the odds are pretty good that we're going to hike again in August, that makes borrowing more expensive. It makes speculating on smaller investments effectively more expensive. You need to generate more of a return for a small company to justify having somebody invest in it versus going out and buying a T-bill paying 6% or whatever. So I do think that small caps are going to face a tough environment if we've got rate hikes on the table.